song. And I didn't know that because it was at the years at ZimFest that I was having my appendix out and not at ZimFest. And so I fell in love with this song separately from like most of the people in Boulder who actually were playing it, and Catherine had transcribed the Indiana part, and Ziva and I had come here and taught the lyrics. But when I was in Zimbabwe last summer, we saw a woman perform in Zimbabwe, and she is the daughter of the woman who wrote this song, and she sang this song. And I fell in love with it in Zimbabwe this summer, and was asking around about it, and found out that actually it has a rich history in Boulder already. So,
and what's the name of it again?
The song is called Usacheme, which means don't cry. It's a lullaby, and it was written by one of Dumisani Marare's daughters. So Dumisani Marare, the man who is thought to be the father of marimba music in the U.S., one of his daughters, named Chiwaniso, wrote this song for her daughters. She names her daughters Chengeto and Chiedza in the song, but I'm going to swap the names out tonight for Eliza and Jessie Simon. So this is a lullaby. Yeah, I will cry if I tell you.
Did you say?
No, don't cry.
Yeah, we'll hold our hearts.
I can tell.
Hold our hearts.
So the name of the song Sacheme means don't cry. But Chinyarara is like a really soft way of saying hush or be quiet. Like if you wanted to say shut up to somebody, you'd say nyararai. But if you were like being really soft, you'd say chinyarara. So it's like hush. Hush my child, don't cry, I'm here. Eliza, my Eliza, my daughter Eliza. Your mother loves you, and she's here with you. Hush, 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 our Jessie. You're an angel in heaven. Hush, my child, don't cry. That song just really deeply touched my heart when I heard Changeto sing it, because her mother wrote it, but her mother is now late. Her mother died a few years ago. And it was really sweet to hear her daughter sing her mother's song. So it's a lullaby for all the children of the world.
We're really blessed here in Boulder. Catherine invites Ziva and I and the Sango to come a couple times a year or more. And do you guys remember Ashley Crutchfield?
Yeah.
She wanted to perform this song, and so Catherine took the mbira to the shed and figured out how to play it without Chiwaniso here to teach it. And because of that, it spread around the Boulder area. And a lot of the kids that you know were really inspired by Ziva and I's group and Zimbira at Zimfest. They still talk about Usachene. Thank you, Catherine.
Yeah. So the next song that you requested was The Washing of the Water.
This is a song by Peter Gabriel.
I heard you may not have heard of him. It's not like Chiwaniso or Thomas Mountfumo. It's more obscure.
I heard him perform it at Red Rocks with this New Blood Orchestra. I'm going to do a